Mahoya maya marehete hamwe atongoria kiuteti, onjoria na kanitha hamwe na aikari a Nyeri. Muoroto uri kuhoera urumwe wa kaunti iyo. Muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa gatoreki Nyeri Archbishop Anthony Muheria akiuria atongoria kunyitana thengia wa gukorwo na mirugamo itiganite ya kiuteti.
You don't have to show the nakedness of others so that people can see your beautiful dress. Treat them with respect. Political hygiene.
Na kuona ndereti ya riboti ya BBI niyo ihiuhitie ciande, gavana wa Nyeri Mutahi Kahiga oria aikari a Nyeri kumihimbiria niguo merahire mawega mayo.
There must be a 30% allocation of all national resources and revenue towards agriculture so that we can drive the GMR that you are so passionate about. When there was a BBI presentation here, I gave Mheshimiwa Mbogo my views to present them. He presented them with due professionalism, even did it better than I could have done.
Don't listen to us when we come here and incite you to fight other members of parliament. Let us work together.
Ihinda-ini o riu mubunge wa Nyeri tauni wa Njiri na speaker wa bunge ya Nyeri John Kagucia makiuria atongoria kanitha gukorwo magitongoria ndereti cia kibururi niguo kurunga atongoria.
Inyuĩ nĩ inyuĩ mũngĩtuonie kũrĩa tũkwĩrĩra na harĩa mũgũtwĩra tũthiĩ niho tũgũthiĩ. Because when all is said and done, we can lie to many people, but we cannot lie to God.
Don't leave us as politicians to mislead this nation when you watch. Please don't keep quiet when we are not doing the right things.
Unity, ladies and gentlemen, should see the whole country coming together.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Nyeri Loiford Kifara akiuga ati mutaratara wa riri njeru ni gukorwo wanjitie wira mweri mwe wa gatandatu. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV de kaunti ya Nyeri, njĩtagwo Martin Munene.